WinPlus-IP has multiple fonts installed. If you'd like to add or remove additional fonts, you can do this using the Font Management tool. You can access the Font Management tool via Settings, Preferences, then Font Management. The Font Management window shows two fields. Windows fonts are the fonts that are available on the machine that WinPlus-IP is running. Installed fonts are the fonts which have been installed in the application and also to the devices which require fonts. For example, Xbox IP and Evo IP devices. Fonts must be installed on these devices as well as WinPlus-IP. If not, the font displayed on the teleprompter or from the Xbox IP output will not match that of the script. To add a font to WinPlus, which is available on the machine, select the font in the Windows Fonts column and click Add Selected. You will see it moved into the Install Fonts column. Click Apply and the font will be installed and written to the devices. This font will now be available in the font pull-down in WinPlus. To add a font from a file, back in the Font Management tool, click Add from File and Explorer will open. Browse to where the file is saved and double-click to add it. If there are multiple font faces available, you'd be given the choice to add them in one step. When you've made your choice, the fonts will be written to the devices and available to use. In this case, we added a Shri font. To remove a font, select it in the Installed Fonts column and click Remove Selected and Apply.